Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Craftsman compressor is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson, offering a reliable source of compressed air for a wide range of applications from inflating tires and powering nail guns to running intricate spray paint jobs, making it a cornerstone of efficiency and productivity in workshops and job sites alike. Number 5. AstroAI Portable Air Compressor. Meet the AstroAI Portable Air Compressor, your reliable partner for keeping your tires perfectly inflated. It's designed for convenience and efficiency. Simply set your desired tire pressure using the intuitive digital display and buttons. It automatically shuts off once the target pressure is reached, ensuring optimal inflation every time. Its lightweight and compact design makes it incredibly easy to store. You can keep it in your glove compartment, under a seat, or in the trunk, and it's barely noticeable when not in use. Enjoy the convenience of smart preset functions. This device allows you to set your tire pressure and forget about it, as it will automatically stop inflating when done. Don't let darkness stop you. It features a backlit digital screen and an independent LED flashlight, making it easy to use even in dimly lit conditions. Experience enhanced durability with our exclusive Tough Ultra technology. Its core components are built using advanced molding techniques, significantly increasing its lifespan by 50%. This essential accessory is powered by your vehicle's 12V DC cigarette lighter and features a long 9.8-foot cord for versatile use. It's perfect for cars, bicycles, balloons, and more. What we like. If you need a portable and easy-to-use inflator for your car tires on the go, this is a great choice. Its programmable inflation and auto shutoff feature make it incredibly convenient, especially if you're not familiar with tire pressure gauges. The built-in LED light is a lifesaver for nighttime emergencies. What people say. It automatically shows you just how much SI you have. You press the button, it fills the tire within a minute, depending on how much air you need. It is compact and small. You have different attachments. No batteries required. A long power cord. It works. Battery life is great, quality is great. I use for my car and kids' tires. Also use to blow us my kids' inflatable toys. It's very versatile. Airflow is great and works in no time. I love this thing. The built-in LED light is a thoughtful addition, providing visibility in low-light conditions. The AstroAI tire inflator feels sturdy and well-built, giving me confidence that it will last for years to come. It's a reliable and convenient tool that provides peace of mind on the road. Number 4. DEWALT 6-gallon 165 psi Pancake Air Compressor, DWFP 55126. Experience long tool run times and quick recovery with its impressive 165 max psi and 6.0-gallon tank. This compressor is designed to keep up with your demanding tasks. Featuring a high-efficiency motor, it ensures easy startups, even in cold weather or when using extension cords. Enjoy reliable power for all your projects. Work in a more comfortable environment with its quiet operation. The noise level is kept low, making it ideal for shared workspaces. Achieve peak performance from your air tools thanks to its high-flow regulator and couplers. It's engineered to deliver optimal air delivery. Benefit from a long-life, oil-free pump for hassle-free, maintenance-free operation. This unit is built to last. The console cover not only protects the controls but is also removable for easy repairs. Its thoughtful design ensures convenience. Enjoy a safer and more convenient experience with its rerouted outlet tube, preventing it from becoming a catch point. It's designed with your workflow in mind. What we like. For those who value a quieter workspace and efficient performance, this compressor is ideal. Its low noise level is perfect for residential areas or shared workshops. If you're looking for a reliable tool that offers long run times and quick refills for various pneumatic tools, this is a solid option. What people say. It's small enough to transport in the SUV if I need to, and large enough to spray paint my 2-story house. I love the size, weight, strong motor, 2 hose hookups, and ease of use. Oh. And it is not all that loud. The compressor is designed to handle a variety of uses, from drilling and airbrushing to spraying and nailing, without breaking a sweat. The 165 max PSI and 2.6 SCFM at 90 PSI pump mean you get long run times and quick recovery, which is crucial when you're in the middle of a project. Plus, the high-efficiency motor ensures that even in cold weather or when using an extension cord, startup is hassle-free. I really appreciate the oil-free feature of this compressor, which equates to virtually no maintenance on my part, a huge plus for any busy DIYer. And with a 6-gallon capacity, I can work longer without having to stop and refill. Number 3. Bostitch 3-Tool Compressor Combo Kit. Introducing the Bostitch 3-Tool Compressor Combo Kit. This versatile kit is perfect for a wide range of interior finishing projects. It features a robust 0.8 HP motor designed for extended life and reliable performance. The oil-free pump is built for durability and requires no maintenance, saving you time and effort. Its compact pancake design ensures stability and maximizes your workshop space. Easily direct exhaust away from you with the convenient tool-free adjustable exhaust feature. This kit is ideal for tasks like interior trim, crown molding, baseboards, and staircases. What we like. If you're starting out with trim work or need a versatile kit for interior projects, this combo is a fantastic starting point. It includes essential tools and a compressor that's easy to move around. Consider this if you appreciate the convenience of having multiple tools and a compressor ready for immediate use. What people say. The compressor is not bad, and the gauges and regulator work well. One twist of a knob, and pressure is set. The tank has a nice, semi-knurled bleeder valve on the bottom of the tank to release pressure and bleed accumulated water. With the valve closed, the tank fills up and shuts off in about 2 minutes from empty, and only kicks on once in a while. Number 2. Craftsman Brad Nailer and Air Compressor Combo Kit. Introducing the Craftsman Brad Nailer and Air Compressor Combo Kit. This all-in-one package is designed to get your project started right away. The air compressor is proudly made in the USA with global materials in Jackson, Tennessee. You can trust in its quality and craftsmanship. This compressor is lightweight, portable, and oil-free, making it easy to take wherever your work may lead. It delivers up to 150 max psi for your needs. The included brad nailer has the power to drive up to 2-inch brad nails with ease. It's ready to tackle your fastening tasks efficiently. Get started on your projects immediately with the included hose. Everything you need is in this convenient combo kit. This comprehensive kit includes the air compressor, the brad nailer, and a hose. It's everything you need for immediate use and great results. What we like. This kit is perfect for DIYers and homeowners tackling trim and finishing projects. If you're looking for a complete package that includes a capable brad nailer and a portable compressor, this is an excellent choice. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle for extended periods. What people say. The tank fills quickly, nails load nice and smooth, and the gun can put an 18G2 brad nail through a trim piece into a stud with no hesitation. Filled the tank in the garage and carried it to my trim project with zero issues as it's very lightweight and easy to maneuver. Perfect budget-friendly portable compressor and brad nailer. Perfect for those quick home repairs. Trim compressor can be used for multiple purposes, lightweight and very versatile. Number 1. Craftsman 3-gallon portable air compressor. Introducing the Craftsman 3-gallon portable air compressor. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to take anywhere you need it. This unit delivers dependable performance with its 3-gallon tank and powerful 1.5 HP motor. It reaches a maximum of 155 psi, ensuring quick inflation to help you finish projects efficiently. Tackle a wide range of tasks with ease, from inflating tires to hobby painting, stapling, fastening, nailing, and bolting. This compressor is your go-to tool for various applications. Engineered for durability, its oil-free and maintenance-free pump system ensures high performance and extended tool run times. You can rely on it for long-lasting use. When you purchase this air compressor, you'll receive the unit itself, an air filter, a 6-foot cord, a quick coupler, a ball valve, and a 1-year limited warranty. What we like. If you need a compact yet powerful compressor for a variety of tasks beyond just tire inflation, this is a great fit. It's ideal for hobby painting, stapling, and nailing, making it a versatile addition to any home workshop. Choose this if you want a reliable performer that's easy to transport between jobs. What people say. It is a good compressor for the price. It is very portable and easy to move around. It is quiet for an air compressor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.